Let's go. Okay, so we gotta kill some boys. Pachoo. 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 Cosmo's actually one of my favorite alphas. Like, not sure why. He's just really cool. So we gotta go to the elevator. Honestly, this is one of my favorites. Just, I don't know, I like it. It's very nice. I like it a bunch. Hey, I think you're really cute. I like you a lot. Maybe we could hang out or something. Oh my god, I hate this thing. I really hate this thing. Please stop looking at me. I hate that so much. I'm gonna... Ooh. We are level 11. We are to be feared by all these little phantom guys. We gotta go close that somewhere. Then we go down here, and we don't go down there, and we go down here, and then we gotta go find out how to fix that. My laptop just dinged, you probably heard that. Oh, right, that's Phantom Door. Ugh. Oh boy, it's one of these. I hate this. I hate these. I mean, I love them, but I hate them, you know? You dig? You dig? Oh no, okay. I guess that's fair. I'm still mad though. Not really, I mean, it's a game, but I'm still mildly okay. Still mildly upset, but that's fine. There's... Oh, my video uploaded. Good. Yeah, so basically, I'm gonna start batch recording, because sometimes, you know, I don't have time to make a video every day. I mean, I could, but, like, I don't. Oops. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Die. Thanks. Oh. There's another one. These guys just annoying now. Okay, can't go there. We gotta go down here. Wowee, this is a lot of trekking. Okay, there's a thing. There's some, a yikey yikes, a nope. And then there's a more nope. Oh, go, go, go. Oh no. Then we gotta go kill this guy. Oh, nope, nope, crap. Oh man, no. Please, we're dead anyways. Okay, that's fine. Oh, yikes. Hey, stop it, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm dead. At least they dead too, you know? Turns out the coin betrayed him. The coin betrayed me. Like 1 in 2 chance of... oh boy, here we go. Boy, how did you not see me? Like, come on. Okay, bye, go. Ow. Nope, die. Dead. Is dead. You are die. R.I.P. Okay, can't go up there. Too bad we can't, like, recover damage by just standing still, like in Minecraft or whatever. God, I'm such a loser. We are... yeah, okay. You keep waiting for it to do something, even though it's not gonna do anything, but there are like 4, no, just 3. Okay. Okay, yeah, I deserve that. Nope. Like, honestly, I really like this one just because it's like, hey, we're learning about... actually, no, I can't get that. That's sad. I'm sad. Ah, yes. these things. I like them. Okay, then we gotta... Honestly, I like puzzles. We gotta go. Dun dun dun. And now we gotta go to the other side. Hooray! And we gotta go get some more. Oh boy, I forgot about that. Oops. Oh hey, and then this is... Hooray! Oh, no thanks. No thanks, I'm okay. I'm good without getting punctured. That's what I'm just gonna call it now, punctured. Because, nope. No thanks. Now where is this? This is... Oh, I see. Yeah, this is where we're supposed to go. Do 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 do. Whoopa. Wait, that wasn't it. Close can we get to that guy? I hate that guy. Nope, nope, stopped. You were stopped. You've been stopped. You have also been stopped. Nope. How about nope? I'm so glad these things aren't, when you break them down, they're not, do 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 do. That hurt. My heart. Oh, yes! Success. Nope, no thanks, all dead. Oh god, now I can't pick up that one. I'm bummed now. I hate it when that happens. Oh boy, I like this part. This is my favorite part. I don't know why. But it is. Now I could do this the simplistic way. The hard way. I mean, I could do it the correct way or the incorrect way. I thought this was one where you could do multiple, but I guess not. And now we gotta go be a phantom. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay. Ah, yikes. Ouchie. Oh, I don't want to go back. Nope. Wow. That guy's doing real good at his job. 10 out of... No thanks. Nope. Nopey nope. That's a nope. That's a nope. That's a no from me. Take those. Attention, all phantoms. Security patrols are over. Come back inside the fortress. Honestly, this is just yeah, top quality. Yeah, okay, that's not where we go. Yeah, I forgot again. Oops. Oops. Yeah, that's on me. Honestly, what even are phantoms? Like, they're kind of octopi, but they're not, because octopi are good, because that reporting program is much better. Oh boy. Sorry, I was just reading a comment. And here we are. Explore this. Okay, so we gotta find a key, which I've probably passed like 4 times right by now. Oh, nope, didn't want to do that. Nope, my bad. Oh, yep, there it is. Hello. This one looks like a rabbit because of the... Oh, I like this one too. It's really cute. I like this one. It's literally the same thing. Why aren't these in, I think, no? Are they prizes? I'm not sure, but I think they cute. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. What is this? Oh. I'm so sorry, guys. I just sneezed really bad. But... no, hey guys, what you doing? Oh boy. Oh, he's teaching him how to do the thing. Oh, yep, here we go. And then I gotta do the conveyor belts. I hate this one. This one's dumb. So we gotta go on conveyor belt to get to a lever. Okay, got one lever. Gotta get one of the other ones. Should I do by going on this one? Yep. Oh, yep, there it is. So then I go like that, and then I go like that, and look at them. They start out as little balls, and then they get little ears, and then they get little eyes. Aww. Super cute. Yeah. Okay. So we go back over here, and then we go, oh, I see. Then we go, gotta go to that one. Yeah, I'm not very smart sometimes, but you know. And we go, gotta be exact. There we go. And then there's a chest, but I don't care. And we gotta go get this. Do they just keep multiple keys in, like, this thing? Like, I'm pretty sure phantoms can fly. Because, like, the little circle ones, like the big bomb ones, you know, they're like little, sea mines. They look like sea mines. I'm gonna name all of them Simon, because Simon, sea mine. Yeah, no, okay. That one's going into Club Geo's. That one's... where's that? Oh, that's the Basement of Secrets. Ah. Where's this one going? That's going to the Juice Hut. Me. No thanks. Why does he keep doing that? Oh, yeah. He's teaching those ones, the mines, how to do their job. Meeny, miny. This one. What if I just finished the adventure? Oh, I see. Yeah, no, I was supposed to go there. And then there's a guy right there, so I'm gonna blow him up. Nope, no thanks. Yikes. Ah, man, they're everywhere. We gotta kill this one on the edge. Yep, he's dead. How about you? Yep, you're dead. LOL. Wow, no. I can't believe I just said that. I'm pretty sure. Yep. Ladder. Wait, did I not let the other one go? Oops. And then this is a chest. And it's that. I already have that. I already have many of those. But I will take it. Like, you're fine. I'm gonna save you real quick. What are your username? Jerry? Ugh, Jerry. Whatever, Jerry. No one likes you. I may or may not be talking about Rick and Morty. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Okay, let's do these ones first. My dog's barking, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I've been quiet a little bit. I've been listening to something. Wait, what? Oh, Do that one, but whatever. Okay. Is there still one left? Okay, so that's... Yeah, that's... What's this? Now we gotta find a key. Man! That's bonk. So... I'm using this recorder called iSpring. It works very nicely. Oh my gosh. So... we gotta figure out how to get in there. Yay. My favorite part. Okay. Like, there's more... I know how to get in there, I just don't remember how to get in there, you know? Oh, thanks. That's why I couldn't get in anywhere. Nope, wrong room. So it seems there's a radioactive waste, or just green jello, under this. Oh, yes. I'm immune right here, and only here. Okay, so now Fleming, James Fleming. I don't know why I'm saying random stuff. I'm listening to okay. I'm listening to a Lazy Masquerade video while I'm playing this. So that's probably not the best thing for me to be watching, because it's, you know, very distracting. Alright. 2 down. Where to go? Oh, okay. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Oh, hey. Nice. Where are the cores? No thanks. Bye. This part's relatively easy. Can I get out both of them? Nope. Why are there like leaves everywhere? And then I realized, oh yeah, I gotta... Crap. Okay, that's where they spawn in from. And this is where I run away! You should really help me, Greeley, that'd be great. But I guess not, cause lol, this is your game, not mine. Get good. Kill him. Thanks. Got to kill you. And I have one left, which is perfect. So we have to kill that one right there. That cycle boy. I just murdered a cycle boy. Okay, now we gotta go to the bottom. Sup, dude? Greeley, my friendo. And then we gotta go. Oh boy, we gotta go. Hey, it's Peck. That's my name, don't wear it out. Hey, Greeley, when are you here? Blah, 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 darn straight. Okay, so. Come on, go. Yes! He are death. He is die. And now for some exposition talk. Hoorah. Blah, blah, blah. And then we get an award. Let's get this one, because I haven't had this one. Phantom Eye Door. That's really cool. So now, that's the video. Thanks for watching. This is me playing... I forget which one that was called, but that was Storming the Fortress. So... thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want more. I'm Cuddles. See you later. Bye.